All right, what's up, everybody? This is a quick sneak preview of what I'm working on for the final version of the Motoloader. This is a motorized loading platform. I have a video with the prototype of this, which is a wood and steel plate version. This is significantly improved. I'm using this very strong, very easy to find, relatively cheap steel tube. It's telescoping. You can get sizes that slip inside each other and telescope. Which is great. And the frame now is exposed. So the two tubes on the outside, that's the core frame of the platform. And that's what you can use to tie things down onto. You can attach stakes to put walls, like to create a mini dump. And then there's the E-track in the middle. So the E-track is also, it's not bolted on top of the tread plate. The tread plate actually ends and the E-track is integrated into it. And the E-track is a stressed member. It's structural. So it's gonna be welded to that front main plate. It's gonna be welded to the main cross members, and it's gonna add a lot of rigidity and strength kind of in this longitudinal axis. So that's pretty cool. The E-track and the frame are the main places you bolt things down onto or tie things down to. They're also structural, so that's great. And this is kind of where the magic happens. This main frame, front member is what supports everything. It's what pulls the platform up. And there's a new design here, which when I demonstrate it, when I do a demo of the final thing, you'll understand kind of why it's designed that way. And I think these welds, for all the structural engineers of YouTube, I think this will make everyone a little bit happier. You see some are okay, some are, yeah, that one's kind of gnarly. But this one came out nice. And I think the other ones are good, a lot better than last time. So yeah, what else can I say about this? This is gonna be the one that I'm building for my truck. This is the section of the platform that can fit in the bed with the tailgate closed. There's gonna be a 3-foot extension, so it's gonna be 9 feet total. And the extension is removable. I'm not doing folding for this. I have a different design that I think works better, which I'll be showing once that's done. I'll probably be painting this. I'm not exactly sure what yet. I thought about powder coating the front, but I may just use the bed liner that I have. We'll see, but I'll tape off the E-track to keep it, since it's galvanized. And obviously, if you're welding, this one here I decided to weld. You can also bolt it together. If you're welding and it's galvanized, you have to grind the galvanized zinc coating off to get a good weld. And yeah, so 2 bikes should be able to fit. I'm also working on a system to tie down the bikes in such a narrow space. It's also something that I'm developing. I'll be testing with this. I think it'll work well. And this is the bike that one of the bikes that I'll be attaching. This is a custom build that I just finished recently. It's kind of like my take on a Street Fighter Ducati. I'll do a video on that one someday. And that's about it. So lots more to come. Working on the plans and making separate videos, instructional videos, on the details of how to make every single component. And some of the more custom components, mainly this kind of frame on the front, I'll also be manufacturing them in a bit more scale for people that want to get a head start. But you can certainly make all of these components by hand, just like I did, from off-the-shelf parts. It just takes a little bit longer. Yeah, so it's coming together. Stay tuned for more. Thanks, guys.